And we are live. Welcome to Root Zones, bringing you the good news and the bad news of crypto. My name is Wayne.
And my name is Manish.
Today, billionaire Paul Tudor Jones invests in Bitcoin. The billionaire hedge fund manager Paul Tudor Jones says he likes Bitcoin. The famed hedge manager said, Bitcoin has appealed to me because it is a way to invest in certainty. Jones also shared his investment strategies in response to the Fed policies. Bitcoin is math, and math has been around for thousands of years. 2 plus 2 is going to equal to 4, and it will be that for the next 2,000 years. I look at the difference between the Fed in 2013 and the Fed in 2021. I look at the difference between Trump and Biden, he noted. Do I have faith in the same reliability and consistency in human nature? When asked if he likes Bitcoin at the current price, Jones replied, I like Bitcoin as a portfolio diversifier. The only thing that I know for certain is I want to have 5% in gold, 5% in Bitcoin, 5% in cash, and 5% in commodities at this point in time. But I don't know what I want to do with the other 80%, said the famed hedge fund manager. I will wait and see what the Fed is going to do because what they do will have a big impact. He further shared that I have a defensive position in Bitcoin to protect myself, my family, and our wealth over a period of time. He also said that he does not look at the price of Bitcoin anymore, implying that he is a holder. So, Manish, what do you think
Wow,
about this?
very good strategy. I think we should also model it. He has given a very good breakdown: 5% to gold, 5% to Bitcoin, 5% to commodities, and he mentioned 5% some more.
In
So, very
cash,
good strategies. Yes, we should also adopt this kind of strategy. And then the very good point which he has highlighted it, he is not going to look at the rate.
yeah.
At any rate we buy it, anyway, it's going to grow.
Exactly. I
So,
really like this because it's what we have been preaching since the start of the video. Before even Paul Tudor has mentioned this
mm,
in the thing, we already have mentioned this. I think in how to protect ourselves from the market crash. Based on
yeah,
your research too, Manish, right?
yeah.
Because we
Many,
know that, right? Gold was supposed to hit $3,000 per ounce in 2020. It was estimated until COVID hit, and we know that having cash is king in when the market have a downturn. And also commodities, meaning I guess he would be meaning oil, and rice or sugar cane. I don't I would actually be interested to know what kind of commodities he is referring to. And
mm,
amazing part is Bitcoin,
yeah,
and at whatever price. So I think, Manish, it's not more about the price, it's about acquiring.
yeah. It's about acquiring. That's why some people are, including me also. Uh, when last week Bitcoin was down, we were thinking that okay, let's just invest it, and suddenly in a couple of days it's back in 40K.
Right.
So we should not regret it. Hey, this coins will this always like that. Shouldn't be any problem. Whenever you are ready, you just invest it.
Right. And everybody have the same mentality when it was $5, when it was 50, when it was 100, when it was
Yeah,
1,000, when it was
always regretting, no?
10,000. Always thinking that the price is very
Yeah,
high to
I
go
wish I
in.
could have purchased yesterday. I wish I could have purchased that day.
Right.
Yes,
And
come
did you
out.
know that Paul Tudor Jones gained notoriety in 1987 for correctly predicting the stock market crash, but
Wow.
struggled the following year to maintain his success in the markets until a few months later he met with Tony Robbins, and Tony actually helped him and to uncover certain things that he was doing well in his performance. Quite
Same
interesting.
like you, no? Same like you. You also recently predicted about the market crash. You created a videos and
Way
exactly
before.
after. Yep.
Way before, and that's the reason is we always preach, especially in root zones, knowing the fundamentals, knowing the technicals, knowing the
Mm,
risk, knowing the cash flow, four things that you can use in any investments you do, whether it's real estate, property, gold, cryptocurrency, forex. It is used across the board. So,
correct.
and that brings me to another news. Bitwise raises $70 million in Wall Street with new Wall Street investors. The cryptocurrency index fund raised 70 million from a handful of institutional investors and almost 30 individuals from Wall Street and Silicon Valley. Bitwise, now a 4-year-old company, has become profitable and has crossed $1.2 billion in assets under management by the end of the first quarter. Part of
Mm,
the motive fundraise was to bring the stakeholders in the young company's journey. CEO Hunter Horsley. Bitwise is focused on serving long-term investors that wants exposure in cryptocurrency rather than traders by enabling financial advisors to steward it for them. Much of the crypto industry is trading and traders. People are looking for price every day and thinking about the latest news or tweet for price over the next 7 days. Horsley said, "We serve long term investors thinking if we played this role in the next 5 to 10 years, how they approach their portfolio and building a thesis." One of the Bitwise most popular funds tracks the index of the 10 largest crypto assets, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. This year, it is launched decentralized finance or DeFi index fund and a crypto EFT, which holds a portfolio of 30 different stocks whose company has derived 75 of their income from cryptocurrency or at least 75 of the net assets in crypto. Now, I'm going to share a screen of what the EFT they are talking about. And this is actually for investors who uh, are not sure on the crypto space. You can just actually put it in a fund. Let me just share my screen. So this is the fund they are talking about. All right. It was launched on 12th of May, and the starting price is about 24 US dollars. So based on the news, they are actually using I think 75%, right, that derive from their income. They are looking at uh, the 10 largest crypto assets. I haven't done a breakdown. I just got info on this news, and I just thought I share it with you guys because Root Zones is about sharing opportunity. So you can see 12th of May it was launched, and now it's about 24. So for those of you who are kind of a more of a EFT kind of person, then look out for this EFT, right? Called Bitwise Crypto Industry Innovators EFT. It's something for consideration. We are not telling you to buy it. We are not telling you to sell it. It's just raising awareness of the company. So do your own research and trade responsible. Let me stop the sharing. So Manish, that's all I have for the news. Over to you.
all right, I also have a couple of things to share today. And the first thing which I'm going to share about the tips and tricks about the buying and being crypto traders. So the first one which I want to highlight is find a reputable news source. If you are already convinced that this can benefit you, then just stick to the source you can trust and avoid the noise of the non-believers, because there'll be over period of time they will say that crypto is risky. If you found it's working for you, if you want to be a successful investor or altcoin owner, stick with the facts. Number two, in this tips and tricks, is be prepared for volatility. You have to be agile with your decisions and think about what will be the best for the current amount of asset that you have. Number three, venture into other altcoins. We all have this mentality, no, we'll be investing in a bitcoins are the only one part of the story when it comes to cryptocurrency. Be careful to a place be careful to a place all your eggs in one basket, as you may end up losing then gaining. Do your research and see which coins are thriving well with the most use case that you can benefit from. And number four, be vigilant. While cryptocurrencies have a higher safety rating that the traditional money, it still pays to be on the alert. If you want to trade or own a large amount of a altcoin in your mobile wallet, you have to be prepared against the risk and the vulnerabilities that you are opening up yourself to. So the conclusion here is mastering the world of cryptocurrency will take a while. So don't pressure yourself to become a whiz on a day one. Like any skill, it takes time, practice, and constant learning to find out how you can maximize the potential of your virtual coins. So that's all I have it for tips and tricks. Moving on the other news, one great news is coming. I think Wayne, you have already shared in our Facebook page. Coinbase Pro adds Shiba Inu trading. The listing
Right.
of the meme cryptocurrency Dogecoin early this month, and Coinbase has announced Tuesday that Shiba Inu will be listed in their trading platform. So now I want to play one video. This is something, there is a tool called Poocoin. I want to share a video before I explain how it works and how to access that Poocoin.
Right.
It
So while
sounds
Manish set this
funny.
up, I'm just going to share. Join us daily on YouTube and Facebook, 9 p.m. Singapore time and 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time if you are based in the US. Thank you for your support.
Yep. Just bear with us for some time. I'm
Do
just
comment in the
uploading video.
section if you want something to be covered in the next episode, certain things that you're trying to do in the crypto space. And also do visit our website when you can. And we are, yes. Okay. Let me share the
Poocoin.app,
screen.
an
Over to you, Mani.
advanced charting and wallet management tool on the Binance Smart Chain network. Poocoin provides real-time charting and transaction data, providing a clear line of sight across your DeFi tokens, saving you time, minimizing hassle, and maximizing your returns. Think of us as like the Google of Binance Smart Chain. By simply pasting the token contract code in our search bar, traders can instantly check the charts, watch the live trades, and take full advantage of new opportunities. In addition to these
Thank
more
you, Lynn.
obvious features, our site offers you a number of free and innovative tools to help you on your trading journey. Want to get in on a new token before the masses? Skip the waiting game and let Poocoin do it for you. Our Ape feature scans for new token launches in real time. This way, you will be the first to participate, and if it's successful, reap the highest rewards from these tokens. Buying new tokens can be profitable, but there are many scams out there, known as rug pulls. Our rug check tool allows you to check the legitimacy of the new token you
That's
are
a great
buying,
point.
designed to help you make smart choices, and hopefully allowing you peace of mind that your investments are safe and secure. In addition, our toilet tool allows you to check in on your pending yields in platforms like PancakeSwap, so monitoring compounding your yields becomes effortless. Our trending feature gives users a unique look at the hottest tokens on the BSC network. And if you hadn't guessed by the name, Poocoin is also a token itself. 4% of every Poocoin transaction is distributed to our holders. Buying and holding the Poocoin token allows you to invest in our future, getting a piece of one of the most visited, fastest growing projects on DeFi, while also receiving passive income through our dividends feature. Additionally, holding gives you the chance to take advantage of a number of exciting premium tools on the Poocoin site. By providing liquidity and creating a Poo BNB LB pair, you can access a range of additional features on our site based on several tiers. Our top 10 liquidity providers also have the chance to promote their desired token in Poocoin vetted list, offering them unprecedented exposure to their project. Poocoin will continue to implement new premium features and tools as time passes. We pride ourselves as the go-to destination for Binance Smart Chain traders for many years to come. But don't just take our word for it. Try out the tech for yourself. Head over to Poocoin.app, connect your wallet, and start taking advantage of free features. And if you like, why not grab yourself some Poocoin tokens? Support the project and join tens of thousands of savvy traders on an adventure into a sweet-smelling future.
So Manish,
Okay, let's
share with
head
us.
to
Tell us.
Poocoin side. Yeah.
So while Manish set that up, again, join us daily live on YouTube and Facebook, 9 p.m. Singapore Standard Time and 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time if you are based in the US. And we are here every day for you guys, educating and sharing knowledge so that we can build a community. Take it away,
So
Manish.
yeah. So are you able to see my screen now? So this is the
Yes.
Poocoin and app, Poocoin.app. This is a tool I was talking about just a couple of minutes ago. I play a video. So
Manish,
this is a tool.
possible to control and zoom this screen so at least it's bigger, maybe for
Yeah,
our
sure.
audience. Yeah,
Yeah.
is that possible? Yeah,
Yes.
very nice. Wow. Okay, so Poocoin. Okay, so what is this
Poocoin.
actually? Is this a platform or?
It's a tool where you can list out your token, even it's not listed in any exchange. It's in a farming state, and you want to access the coin or you want to access a crypto to further deep dive and further analysis. You can access here. You can either put a contract address and you can list out the information about the coin, or you can just simply put a name. So just take an example of our favorite coin called Stop Elon, right?
Stop Elon. Yeah, I love Stop Elon.
Yes. So here in the down, you're seeing some hash values, the longer address, right? This is a contract address. So if you do not have a name, you just have a contract address, which is in a very beginning phase, you can just copy and paste here and you can access the detail about the coin. So just select it. You will be getting a trend chart, the market cap here. You can see the market cap. You can see the trending candles, how the coin is performing. That's one thing. Second thing, you can also connect to your wallet. I'll just show you live how you can connect with your wallet. To connect with your wallet, what you have to do is here, just connect, click on connect, wallet
Manish, what
connect.
kind of wallets do we have there? In terms of
As
the
of
options,
now, I'm going to connect with my Trust wallet. I
Trust
show
wallet.
you, yeah, Trust wallet.
Okay.
I'm going to show you.
So
So
Manish is trying to share. Are you trying to share your phone screen?
are you able to see my screen now?
Yeah,
Okay.
I can.
So
Okay. Do
you
you?
can see, right? Yeah. So
Yeah.
this is my Trust wallet. I'm going here in a setting and then wallet connect. Then it will ask you to scan the code. I'm scanning
Mm.
the code and I need to authorize it from my mobile phone. Once I authorize it, I'll be able to connect in the browser. So I just clicked on connect and you see my wallet will be connected here.
Manish, you gotta share your screen again if you want to share. Because I think I tried to zoom in to show the audience, but you. Okay, so Dave is asking, what's a trust wallet? So Dave, when you open an account like Binance, Binance is it already has its own digital wallet. Trust wallet is a separate wallet itself. You can just open up a wallet, and that's what's going to happen in the future.
Yeah. So you can see I have already connected my Trust wallet here and it's listing out
Manish, you got
all
to
the.
share your screen, Manish.
Oh, do I need to again
Yeah,
share
you
it?
got to stop sharing and share again.
All right. Okay.
Yes, Dave, you are right. It's like CoinHako. It's a separate wallet. So Manish
Yes.
is showing. Manish, just a quick question. I mean, from what Dave is asking, you can't. I mean, in order to access this Poocoin, you can't use CoinHako or Binance wallet, right? Specifically,
Uh,
you have to use Trust wallet.
yes, Trust wallet.
Okay,
There are list of wallets are there which is supported by this Poocoin. You
sure.
can use it because Poocoins is kind of exchange where a very new tokens will be listed down here. The moment you are compiling a token, you will be able to list out here. So even though your Binance, CoinHako, Coinbase is not listing these coins, but you will be still be able to access here using the contract address. Like this is Top Elon is not nowhere listed, but we are
Right.
still able to access this.
Right,
Yeah.
right. And so
So
maybe giving another example, Shiba coins. This Shiba coins, Manish, we can use this Trust wallet to access Shiba coins because it's not listed on Binance. Oh, sorry, it's listed on Binance, but it's not. Example, it's not listed on Coinbase,
yes,
right?
correct.
Okay.
So as you can see now, I have connected with my Trust wallet, and here the balance is showing my Trust wallet estimate balance. And what are the coins I have purchased here. The investment is showing here. The first one is Stop Elon, which I bought over around 11 million coins. Then I have Telsa, short Telsa, Tesla, short
Tesla.
Tesla. Yeah.
Hmm.
So that is also around 11 million coin. I have it here. So this will connect and you will be able to see the performance of your coin. I can just click and see what is the status of this, how it's performing. I can go on a technical details, see how volatile this coin is. So I can directly access and
Right.
I can monitor from my web browser how's my money performing.
Right. Another thing to take note about accessing some of these coins, they are it's what is termed as the shit coins, right, Manish?
Yes.
So
That's
shit coin, yeah,
if you
that's why
yeah,
there's
if
a
you
food
see this
sign.
name itself is a Poocoin. Yeah.
Yeah. So the idea here is that sometimes it might make you rich and sometimes it doesn't make you rich, right? It could crash.
Yes.
Like with Stop, I think Stop Elon gave us a lot of revenue,
Correct.
money that we made, and
But here I lost it already. Here I invested around $1,000, 1,000 USD, but now it's hitting 181. So here I'm in loss of around $800. But
yeah.
yes, in the Stop Elon we have made it a lot, so
Right.
we have recovered back. Yeah.
So Dave, Poocoin cannot be connected to CoinHako or Binance. However, it might get listed if it passes the audit, if it meets certain criteria that qualifies them to be an actual coin and not a scam. So this is what Manish is showing is that because we always get question of certain coins cannot be found on Binance, cannot be found on CoinHako. How can they purchase those coins?
Yes, correct. You are
Right.
right. So any new coins which is launching, you can give me a contract address. I'll be able to search here how it's
Right.
performing. So as
Right.
of now, I can see Stop Elon has passed the audit and their icons and everything is visible. Even you'll be able to search in a Trust Wallet. Yeah,
Yep. Loon said you won't lose if you never sell. Yeah, that's true. That's
correct.
true.
Yeah, so I'll wait for this Tesla to go up. So I'm not selling it now.
Yep. Love or hate the big man Elon Musk. We own all his coins. We have Tesla stocks.
Yes.
We have Stop Elon.
Whether it's a
We have
love
short
or hate.
Tesla, and we have Dogecoin. So it's just the way it is.
So
Manish
that's
Rahul is asking, how do you set alarm or notification on non-listed coin? It's a very smart question.
yeah, very good question. This one. Okay, you can set a notification on a Poocoins. Even I have not done it, but I think yes, I can take it up this question and we can put a notification. Rahul, I think you will be able to see if you have invested money in a Stop Elon, you will be able to see the notification in your Trust Wallet. If your question is how to get a notification from this Poocoin app, I might need to check the notification option.
Yeah, I think we can cover that in a video, Manish. Whether the
Yeah,
number one, the
I'll
capability
take
is
it.
there.
Yes. Hmm.
But I think it's a very good question because that's the same issue I have. I have
Yeah,
to randomly check the particular coin to see if it's up and down.
correct. But at least here, what you can do is you can map your Trust Wallet here in the Poocoin, and live you can see at least here. So while you're working,
Oh yeah,
you are
of
in
course,
office,
of
at
course.
least you'll be able to see the
But
live.
sometimes, Manish, I think some of these coins they go up really fast, and you want to cash in on the opportunity. It's nice to get a trigger alert,
Yeah.
right? So I mean, we can explore that. Yeah, let's do a bit of checks. We can even write into Trust Wallet if they don't have the capabilities, the feature.
Yes, correct.
Thanks, Rahul, for that question. Good question.
Yeah.
So while Manish does
So yes, of course, we will find out how to get the notification in. Yes, sure. But from the Trust Wallet, you can enable your notifications from here. Yeah.
okay, we'll do a video and we'll cover that in the how-to section.
Sure. So that's all. I'll stop sharing the screen now.
Okay. Manish, over to me.
Yes, over to you.
Okay, fine. So let's go and look at the market sentiment. What's happening now with the crypto fear and greed index? Today, guys, it's up. We are at the 33, slightly a bit lower from previous day, which was about 38. because I guess the Bitcoin has dropped a bit, which I've mentioned in a couple of videos. As long as we don't cross the 41 to 42,000 and stay there for a few days, we should be looking at a bull run. Unfortunately, today Bitcoin is slightly down on the lower as of now. At this time of recording, we are looking at about 39,326. So market sentiment is still not there. We'll see over what's happening over a few days. But we went up. It's a good sign, particularly because of certain stories that came in. Cuba are not taking the US dollar. So a lot of South American countries and Africa are giving up the US dollars. They know that the dollar is crashing. The US market has actually printed so much, right? El Salvador has taken up Bitcoin. The IMF is actually stopping El Salvador and not funding that. So there's a lot of things going on. Countries are accepting. I think today, yesterday we covered in the news in Africa, Tanzania is president is telling the banks to get started on cryptocurrency. So every today, guys, the most important thing you have to recognize, and I'm going to say this live, is that it's all about acquiring the coins. It's not more about the price. If you look at some of the billionaire statement, especially Michael Saylor, right, CEO of MicroStrategies, he's crazily creating bonds to acquire billion over dollars to buy these because there is a cap. And when you hit that cap, you're going to last a few generations. So, so that's what's happening right now in the crypto space. Let's look over in the stock. The fear stock index, we call it VIX, is actually slightly a bit up, 17% from the first few days of 15%. I think there's a growing concerns where the narrative of the news have changed. A lot of them are speaking about the dollar crashing, and slowly people are parking their money into like cash, gold, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, right? So that is something we do. Over to the next top 10. Let's look what's happening in the last 24 hours. So we are although we look bullish, we are actually down by 2.33% in the last 24 hours. Ethereum is down by 5.33. USDT break even. Binance Coin BNB is 4.27. Cardano 3.74. And Dogecoin down by 3.8. XRP 4.4. USD Coin slightly up by 0.01. Polkadot is 4.99 and Uniswap 6.8. And let's see who our favorite coins. Solana is down by 6.91. Solana, we spoke in many. We love this project. I'm keeping eye on the team.
Yeah.
Manish is also looking at the blockchain, and Solana is going to be. I mean, it's known as the Ethereum killer. I don't know whether it will ever reach the Ethereum price as we see now, but it's a good. We are buying Solana. We're not telling to buy. We're not telling to sell. We're just educating you and raising awareness. Okay.
Probably in our next video, we'll cover the detail about this project. This is very interesting project.
Yeah, Manish will normally cover the blockchain. I will cover the roadmap. So that's where you'll get a nice balance of understanding. Again, another place I like to use is Coin Codex. Dave, keep your question coming. We'll be answering that shortly. Bitcoin in the last 3 months, we are still down. All right. I always like to kind of zoom in so that we can see. Look at the 6 months.
Yeah, in
all
6
green.
months only you will be able to see the clear picture of any.
So sometimes we have this myopic, eye to kind of zoom in on what's happening to the day with the narrative of the news. But if you take a step back, we are in the green, guys. Bitcoin has actually in the last 6 months risen by 79%. Ethereum up by 288. BNB 1,000%. Cardano 83, right? Dodge, of course, it's crazy. 8,000%. The point I'm trying to make, in 6 months, you can see all this percentage. No, right now, there's no industry or no, there's no investment that can give you this kind of percentage, right? And that's why, if you look at it, the banks are slowly buying, the countries are going into Bitcoin, and the narrative is spreading FUD, right? Fear and uncertainty and doubt, because everybody is in a rush to acquire. So just something for you to take note, right? And let's look at the technicals. So again, the EMA, right? We have set up this. There's a video that I cover. I think we had questions on how to actually set this up on the Binance platform. So just go under trading view, set this up. The VWAP is about your volume, and your RSI is tells you the strength of that volume, right? It's relative to the index. and you can see like volumes here, right? This is heavy selling. So, but we haven't come out of the green, guys. We are at 39,000. If I were to zoom out, now we are looking at per day in a 4 hour setting. You can see we are still slightly a bit bullish on the 4 hours chart. But the moment you go on the 1 day chart and you zoom out, you can see that we are still down. So we haven't reached the level of what we were just before the tweet that came from Elon. So something to take note. I mean, it's like I said, it's not about the price. The billionaires are actually buying it. So if you can do that every
About
month,
acquiring.
have a discipline like myself and Manish, we just buy Bitcoin. Any profits we make from trades that we do, we throw into Bitcoin. It's about acquiring and it's not about the price. And get your latest news. Do visit us on the website. I think next week Manish will be launching our e-commerce site. So whatever designs you guys like, we'll just have it there, and purchase can be made.
So the merchandise will be available soon, guys, with the cryptos, and Bitcoin fans can buy the merchandise. And the great news is we are going to accept a payment in Bitcoin.
Right. So one of Dave's question was Bitcoin is being mined. Yeah, it is being mined, right? Until 2161. We don't know, Dave. Technology changes. We just got news that there will be new hashes on I think it's not Nvidia graphics card, but it's on the AMD graphics card. So what's happening is
Asus
that
also
graphics
launched.
card,
Asus also launched one great graphics card for the mining itself.
right?
I can
So
see
so
that.
what's happening now in the marketplace is that there will be two kinds of school of camp. They don't want to touch the gamers, so gamers can buy the rig cheap, and there'll be rigs that will cost less to give it more profitable. And most likely, when you look at El Salvador wanting to use the volcano, I think that's where Elon Musk recently tweeted that he will still be accepting Bitcoin. It's a long time. Yes, of course, it's a long time. But do you want to? The question is that we should ask also: do we want to invest in mutual funds, bonds, forex, unit trusts? Right. As always mentioned, Ray Dalio. Right. Ray Dalio, one of the best wizard of Wall Street, has 2,000 financial analysts, and he's only doing about 17% per annum. 17% per annum. And we as a retailers, we have a job, we work in maybe in the banking sector, IT sector, or telco. We don't have time to be in the markets, and that's why most of our feed, we come from a team. We have a team that actually does this thing for myself and Manish to present to you guys, so that you get a bit of the information to make certain decisions in your portfolio. Solana is a potential big one. Yes, I agree.
VeChain is
Well,
another potential big one.
right.
VeChain and Solana.
Right, it solved all the issues that Ethereum have, and before it took off, it got. The only question that we always have to look is not about the coin; it's about the team, and it's about the leadership in terms of where the coin will be going. Something like Cardano. So if you look at Cardano, they are in the second or third phase now, and there's
Yeah.
a roadmap, and they are going to look at smart contracts, which is not in yet. So those are things that we have to see what's the long-term usage of that thing and the utility of it. Ethereum killer. Basically, what's going to happen in the market. You can get some of the best and brightest minds to come in together with good leadership and look at all the potential coins and find the gaps and come into the market to offer a value proposition. Just Dave, if you look at businesses, that's what is happening. You find something that is not working in the marketplace. You know that there's a market that wants it. You go there, bring your team, get the investments, and start it. So that's what Solana did. Great strategy. Will the team be committed to this mission? Is still unknown. So we'll see what happens on that junction. It seems that Dogecoin is being partnered with Ethereum. Can it touch $5? We don't know the future. The challenge with Dogecoin is that there's no cap, right? The supply and demand is infinite. So until Dogecoin has that supply and demand, then price would be determined. Based on supply and demand. But infinite $5, I don't know. It's hard to say at this point of time. Would it wise to get in Bitcoin? Yes, definitely. Store it. Hardware. If you are owning a few coins, I think most of us have actually purchased the hardware. Manish will cover that in probably a next video.
Yeah, the hardware.
Right. That's all we have for today. Manish, do you have anything? Thanks for the questions, guys.
Yeah, it was a great live stream today because lots of questions came today, and we're happy to answer those questions.
So, Manish,
Your
anything on your end?
questions keep us motivated. No, that's all for my side as well. I think we can call wrap for the day. Yeah.
Okay, awesome, guys. So, see you again, same time, same channel. Thank you very much. Manish,
And if you have any further questions, please let us know.
bye for now.